Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will explain to you why Huawei phone won't update. Huawei's mobile operating system has dedicated maintenance and updates by Huawei employees. Every time a Huawei phone system needs to be updated, it means that the update carries patches or new features. This is to fix security issues and enjoy cool new features. But what if your Huawei phone can't update EMUI for some reason? Don't worry, please watch and try the methods in the video patiently. This video will help you solve the problem of Huawei phone is not updating. Try all the steps here in the order we present. The instructions here work for almost all series of Huawei phones including Mate series, Pura series, Pocket series, Ascend W series, Ascend Y series, Nova series, Ascend GX series, G series, T series, U series, Y series, Honor series, Enjoy series and so on. First, let's understand why Huawei phone is unable to update. 1. Internet connection. If the mobile phone network connection is unstable or unavailable, the system will not be able to complete the system update. 2. Insufficient storage space. When installing and updating the Huawei mobile phone system, it often takes up a part of the storage space. If the remaining space on your phone is not enough to support the installation and update, it will interrupt the installation and update. 3. Device compatibility issues. If your Huawei phone is older, you may not be able to install and update the new version of the Huawei mobile phone system. 4. Unexpected interruption. If you encounter an internet interruption or automatic shutdown due to insufficient power during the update process, then Huawei phone won't update EMUI. How to fix Huawei phone not updating? Please solve it with us, and we will guide you through the steps of the solution. If you have other questions, you can tell us in the comment area below the video, and we will reply to you within 24 hours. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to check the network connection. When you can't update Huawei phone, you should first check whether your internet connection is normal. When the network cannot be connected or the connection is successful but there is no network, this is the reason why Huawei phone doesn't update. You can check whether you are connected to the network according to your habits. If it is connected, you can open other applications to see if the network is working properly. If it is normal, please continue to try the following methods. Method 2 is charging. The installation system often takes a certain amount of time and cannot be stopped halfway, which means that the Huawei phone needs to have enough power to maintain the installation update state. If the battery of your Huawei phone is too low to complete the installation update system operation, the installation update cannot be started or completed. To prevent the installation update from being interrupted due to insufficient power, please connect the charger to the Huawei phone and make sure it is not disconnected when the installation update is completed. Method 3 is insufficient storage space. If the internet and power are fully sufficient to support a series of installation steps, then it is time to check whether the storage space of the Huawei phone is sufficient. If your Huawei phone stores a lot of data and causes insufficient storage space, less than 10%, this will cause Huawei phone won't update to the latest EMUI or Huawei phone won't receive updates. Because the downloaded update will take up part of the storage space of the Huawei phone, you can clean up the storage space to free up more space to support the installation update. To clean up the storage space, open the phone settings, then scroll down to find and tap the storage option. A cleanup acceleration button will appear in the storage options interface, please tap it. Finally, the system will check the storage space occupied by your applications. You can clean up the redundant storage space one by one or all of them according to your needs. After the cleanup is completed, try to install the update again. Method 4 is to shut down and restart the Huawei phone. If you ensure that there is enough storage space, you can also try to restart the Huawei phone. There may be some temporary errors on the Huawei phone, and this temporary error may be the reason for the Huawei phone will not update, and restarting will delete some temporary errors of the phone. To restart the Huawei phone, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, and a restart interface will appear. Click the restart icon on the shutdown interface, and your Huawei phone will start to restart after clicking. Wait for the restart to complete, and try to download the update again. If it still doesn't work, continue to try the following method. Method 5 is to install the update in safe mode. If you downloaded a third-party application and the Huawei phone is not updating, system update problem occurred after downloading, it may be that the downloaded third-party application affected the Huawei phone update. In order to check whether it is caused by a third-party application, you need to boot the phone into safe mode and install the update system in safe mode. Third-party applications will not affect your phone in safe mode. Next, follow the steps below to run your Huawei phone in safe mode. Please press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then press and hold the restart icon for about 1 to 3 seconds, and the click to enter safe mode and safe mode icons will appear. Please click it, and then your Huawei phone should restart and boot into safe mode with the safe mode logo on the screen. Go to settings in safe mode and try to install the update again. If the update can be installed normally in safe mode, then the third-party application is affecting the installation and update process. Please find it and delete it. Method 6 is to delete Huawei phone data. If safe mode cannot fix Huawei phone software not updating, then Huawei phone won't get updates may be caused by other hidden problems. Now you need to restore the phone to factory settings, which will be the last solution you can try. Restoring the factory settings will erase all data in the phone's storage space, including contacts, messages, media files, and applications stored in the phone's memory. So, please back up your data before restoring the factory settings. Please open the phone settings, then scroll down and select the System and Update option. Then find and select the Factory Reset option on the System and Update interface. Then swipe down or directly click the Reset Phone button on the Factory Reset interface. After that, your Huawei phone will start to reset and will finally re-enter the Huawei device home interface. Finally, you can re-import the backed up data and try to update your Huawei phone again. Method 7 is to let Huawei technicians help you update. If you cannot fix the Huawei phone EMUI not updating problem after trying all the above methods, it may be that the hardware on the Huawei phone is faulty or damaged. It is recommended that you contact the Huawei After Sales Service Center as soon as possible, and they will provide you with professional diagnosis and repair services. I hope these suggestions are helpful to you. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think we need to improve, you can also express your opinions and suggestions in the comment area. Thank you. Wish you good luck.